Hello everybody, and welcome back to Space Engine. Where we left off, I suspect I've actually been doing some other stuff with it since then, so... Ooh, okay, a bit of FPS there while it loads up. Okay, and I crashed into a planet. Lovely. Let's back out of this if we can. Ah, there we go. Right then. Where are we gonna go? Andromeda, maybe? Yeah, let's go to Andromeda. You know, because other galaxies are fun too. Right then, slow down our speed, and let's enter the, the galactic disk of the galaxy. There are globular clusters around it, and right then. Ooh, that's quite the globular cluster. However, that red-looking star... Oh, it's a nebula. Should have guessed. Well, it was looking enticing, so we're going to go there. Well, let's see what to talk about. Well, there's some stuff I probably should have mentioned earlier, like that star that had the interesting dimming pattern, which brought some people to wonder about the possibility of a Dyson sphere or a Dyson swarm. But people keep forgetting that that was just one of the many possibilities and the least likely possibility. It's like, hell, I'd love for there to be aliens, but even the people who suggested it were just like, you know, it kind of fits the pattern for what we'd expect to find something, but it's still most likely a natural phenomenon. Anyways, at least dust and gas. Let's check out this star right here. Orange dwarf. Bordering the nebula. But yeah, it's like, they always say it's like, aliens are probably the most exciting explanation for stuff like this, but it also has to be the last conclusion you come to, just because you don't want to screw that kind of thing up. Ah, how lovely. Let's check it out here. What kind of planets? Hot desert. That sounds like fun, actually. Let's go to a hot desert. Well, I guess in other news, I have my campaign that's supporting some aerospace endeavors I've been meaning to get done for a while. So far, I haven't, well, at least when this video was made, it's going to be obsolete here pretty soon, but when this video was made, I haven't made much in the ways of, well, no one's really donated to it yet, but whatever. I'm thinking that maybe 30 days may have been a little too small in the number, but whatever, we'll see. If it doesn't work out now, I'll retry it later. Actually, I was talking to my dad, who he's the president of the astronomy club in the city of Medicine Hat, or self-proclaimed emperor, as he says jokingly. But he said that he'd kind of help endorse it and spread it around there. So hey, you never know. Any little bit helps. What an interesting service. My God, the FPS is not doing really good today. I guess I did turn my computer on. It's still probably warming up a little bit, but whatever. Look at these pretty little dunes. But yeah, I'll have a link to it in the description. So if you want to support, that'd be great. Even just like the smallest amount. Like I really need. I don't know. I'm trying to, or even just sharing it, because it's like I've kind of hit the limit of the amount of places I can share it and whatnot. So, but yeah, enough campaigning or pushing that. It's back to video game land. Oh my goodness, the game No Man's Sky. If you haven't heard about it, please go look it up. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be released next year, and I am so looking forward to it. If you don't know what No Man's Sky is, imagine Space Engine, but with spaceships and space combat and life forms and stuff. You can actually walk around on the planet. Like, it's going to be a fractally generated universe, just like Space Engine. But each planet is going to have life and like flora and fauna that are fractally generated. So technically, so it's like theoretically you can have like I think it was like 8 quadrillion planets in the entirety of the game. Okay. 8 quadrillion planets in the game, and each one will have its own unique ecosystem and environment, and it's gonna be so cool. So when that comes out, I'm definitely gonna do a video game or a series of just exploring that universe, because it'll have more than just planets. It'll have the ability to walk around and look for resources and look at life and space combat. It's gonna be amazing. So that's happening next year, and I'm looking forward to that. I don't buy video games very often, but you know. Actually, I do have Planetary Annihilation on Steam, and people keep telling me to play it, and I really should install it and play it because, well, I have it, might as well. And ugh, the FPS is really just not doing well today. I don't even know why. Oh, whatever. But yeah, so I should probably do that at some point. But until then, Space Engine. And I should probably do some more KSP stuff, because the new update's coming out, and it's going to be fantastic. Oh, that Milky Way. Yeah, it is the Milky Way. From here, it looks like the Andromeda does from our planet. Alright then. Let's just go deeper into the center of the galaxy, shall we? There we go. Hyperspace. There's actually an interesting theory I was reading about related to hyperspace. Well, not really hyperspace, but it's like in Star Wars, you have hyperspace routes, which are like predetermined routes that connect. Or it's kind of like a web through space. I don't really know the main details, but basically, it's like you can only go through hyperspace in these corridors that are all mapped out. And there was actually this theory, which made me kind of think about that. It was talking about cosmic strings, which cosmic strings are. They're like strands, like an atom thick, as dense as a black hole, or they can be described as a lot of different things, but they're basically just like strands of weirdness from the beginning of the universe. And there's this idea that during the beginning, like the split millisecond before when inflation started, the speed of light was actually much faster than it is today. And during the creation of the universe, in that event, you had these fractures form around cosmic strings and stuff. And then as it expanded, it basically just like pulled these and expanded them and stretched them out throughout the galaxy. So there's this idea that you could have these corridors through space around cosmic strings, where the speed of light is actually much faster than it is outside of them. And it's not hyperspace or anything, but it made me kind of think about that, or made me think of that. We could theoretically have these corridors, like interstellar highways that allow faster than light travel by just going faster because light is faster there. I don't know. It was just really cool. Wow. Stop and look at some planets. Ooh, with life. 4 with life. My goodness. That's exciting. Okay. Everyone here is sick, so I have to make sure I drink a lot of orange juice and whatnot to see if I can get ahead of this. Oh, it's a triple system too. Oy vey. Well, let's take a look-see. 3, 6, none of those have life. This one's one with life. Alright, let's see here. A warm desert with life. Cool, alright. This one has a moon with life. This one is a temperate unistellar with life. Oh, this one has aerial life. Well, let's start from the inside and work our way out, shall we? Exploring worlds, the infinite worlds of space. It's like in Star Trek, there's a saying, well, it's a Vulcan saying, where it's like, yeah, infinite worlds, or infinite diversity through infinite combinations. And it's quite apt, because it's like, that's the universe for you. Wow. What an interesting color. I think it's green. Maybe a greenish yellow, brown. Yellowy? Orange? I don't know. Again, I'm colorblind, so when there's a lot of tones that are similar next to each other, I have trouble differentiating. So, and also I don't know. It looks like a yellowy green to me, but I could be wrong, so I'm not gonna make any like absolutes. Actually, maybe I can zoom in on it and get a better Yeah, it looks kind of like a yellowy green. With blue in it. Oh. Dunes. Cool. Well, let's keep going then. Yes, I can see color, by the way. It's not like I'm black and white colorblind. I just... Tones and shades. I think I have less cone cells than the average person. Which kind of sucks, but whatever. Like, I can still technically see the full spectrum, just not in the same way, or I need special stuff to do it. Like those Enchroma glasses, which apparently make it so colorblind people like myself can see more colors and better. I've actually thought about getting a pair of those, but they're really expensive, so it's like, I'll put that off for now. But I would love to get a pair of those at some point, because I'm quite intrigued with the prospects of being able to see the full range of color like a normal person, because I apparently cannot. This moon looks interesting. Well, looks like a moon. Reminds me of Mercury, actually. That's quite the impact on it, my goodness. Anyways, that's carrying on. We have... Boom. Cool gas giant with life. One of these has life. There we go. Away we go. Life is pretty fun. Life is pretty fun. Swarms of moons and stuff. I love that. It's so great. And this is marine. Really? I'm not seeing too much water. Well, I'm seeing, like, lakes, I guess. Seas. Shallow seas. What an interesting terrain. It's like, it looks like a very... Actually, it kind of reminds me of what Mars would look like with water. A very sandy desert with channels and seas and stuff in it. Let's see, how old is this? Age 2.0. Well, I guess yes. Unicellular marine. I guess that would make sense. It's like a primordial world. Oh my goodness. And now we're under the ocean, or under the sea of this primordial world. We're not going to see anything because it's all unicellular. Unless we might see like bacteria mats and stuff, but oh, how lovely. What an interesting environment, or like a world. It's kind of like Venus with, like, so there's the planet that it orbits. Wow. I really like this for some reason. It's a very alien but almost familiar world. That's fantastic. Let's see if I can go to the shoreline. Ugh, it's really hard to see. Or I can pull out one of the spaceships and try to, like, land it. But that never goes well. Actually, no, let's give it a shot. Why not? Let's start from a very low orbit. Oh, look like terrain, all the dunes and stuff. Alright, we'll start from this altitude. Spaceships. Name, class, build. There we go. I want to build a shuttle. Build. I want to take control of this shuttle. Alright. Can I speed up time? Okay. Well, okay, again. Things break. See if I can maybe fix some of this? I don't know. Yeah, I done goofed. This was all on me. Let's try that again. Let's try that again this time without the breaking it with time accelerate. And also I need to probably put more speed on it so I actually have some like momentum. Shuttle, or the Skylon's pretty cool. No, shuttle, build, take control, main engine's on. Let's do this. Just try to get at least some momentum on this, you know? Okay, the velocity vector. So far, so good. Alright, I think that will work. Alright, let's turn those down a little bit. My altitude going down. Ugh, where is it? Oh, I think I'm going up actually. That's unfortunate. Well, let's try this again. Let's show my orbit. Whoa! Oh. I think I broke something. I can't see my ship anymore. Ah, shoot. Can I like zoom in on it, please? Center on ship. Ah, there we go. I'm learning. Whoa. Right then. I sure am picking up speed. So that's a thing. I'm going off vector. See if I can get this back. Altitude is increasing. That's unfortunate. Well, okay. I think I'll just have to wait and see what happens. See, I'm much better doing this with the orbiter because the control is a little more intuitive for me. But let's see what happens if I increase speed. And I'll wait for my altitude to start dropping. Keeping in mind, there we go. Keeping in mind I also have to explore that gas giant with the floating thingies. And that may also be cool, because like, actually it might be cool to fly a shuttle through that. Okay, I'm pretty much dropping like a stone. Whatever. I guess this works. Yeah, I'm dropping like a stone. Oy vey. Right then, let's see if I can fix some of this. Yeah, I don't know where my velocity vector is. Well, it's right there. I don't know how to like... I don't know if aerodynamics are taking effect. If there are aerodynamics. I don't think there are aerodynamics, which is unfortunate. Or there might be, but I'm not seeing them. And I forgot the controls aren't reversed, so I have to fly this. Okay, come on. Ooh, no. Oh, what'd I do? I hit 2 accidentally and something bad happened. I don't know what I did, but it looks really cool, so... I think I'm falling as a spaceship, and I'm following the shuttle too. Oh yeah, I am now a separate entity to the shuttle. I'm no longer piloting it. Oh, that's unfortunate. Unfortunately, I can't seem to kill this spin. Oh, there we go. See if I can like get my spin in line with it. Oh, there we go. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, I'm fond of myself. I can get right up next to it. No, no, no. Come on. See if we can do a nice little bit of a, up in front. No. Oh, careful. Oh, this is so cool. I'm just like spinning around. Oh my goodness. Okay, I think I've pretty much... Well, I should see if I can maybe get better in line with it. What I need to do is find a way to get it around and flip it up, and then rotate in line with it. Whoa. Oh, this is exciting. It's like that scene in Interstellar with the Ranger and the Endeavor and Matt Damon. Only there was actual suspense in that. This is just me enjoying the game mechanics. Oh, it was kind of nauseating, not gonna lie. Anyways, it's been 21 minutes, so I have to go explore the other world before this gets out of hand. So let's destroy the shuttle. Boop, and it's gone. And then I go back into free mode. No, not aircraft mode. Hell no. Well, that was just lovely, but I have other planets to explore before I end this video. So let's go. Where was it? One with life. No. Wait, it was this one? This one. This one. And then, oh, yeah, this one. That's what I'm at. Or wait, no, wait, I'm at this one. Oh. Okay, so there's like, oh, there's 4 of them. Well, I'm gonna go to explore the aerial ones, so let's just do this one quickly. 'Cause I'm excited with what discoveries may lurk. Marine. Okay. Kind of reminds me of the other one. Well, this one looks like it has more ocean to it. Yeah, it's an Oceania, so it is just all water. That's exciting, I suppose, but I'm gonna go to the other one. I'm gonna go explore the gas giant roaming creatures. I always think of that episode of Cosmos with Carl Sagan when he was talking about the ideas of what life on Jupiter or a gas giant might look like, where you have giant organic balloons that fill with either hydrogen or they keep their internal temperatures warm to promote, keep them aloft, and you have creatures that are called sinkers that would, oh goodness gracious, that would basically be born in the upper parts of the atmosphere and then slowly sink down where they expire in the upper or the lower reaches of the gas giant's atmosphere. And you have hunters that would probably attack and eat the floaters. And we've reached the quote-unquote solid surface of the gas giant. All to say it's the density, or actually this is a cold ice giant. I don't know, a layer of frozen something. Or if you go deep enough, maybe liquid metallic hydrogen. Ah, so cool. Let's go to aircraft mode. And then let's do a barrel roll. Actually, this isn't a barrel roll. It's technically just a roll. A barrel roll when you do like... I don't know how to describe it, but it's like you don't just like roll over. You do like a roll and a turn at the same time, so you make like a corkscrew pattern. That's a barrel roll. But anyways. Let's ooh, is that an aurora? Ooh, yeah, it is an aurora. It means the magnetic pole is right here. That's just so nifty. I love this game. But yeah, it's been 24 minutes, I suppose. That's it for now. Ooh. Oh, I want to explore the rings. I want to explore the rings. Are they not moving? No, they are moving. Oh, look at that. It's so pretty. Just dust and ice. Speed it off a bit. There we go. Anyways, yes, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please check out my campaign and support me if you can. That'd be fantastic. And I hope you all enjoyed. And space?